on, Mrs. Cleaver. And somebody try me? Pow! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Ebonyline. They were kind of sending me 2 units to review for you guys. I will be showing you guys how I styled these units, so if you want to see how I did that, make sure you stay tuned. There will also be timestamps down below using the new YouTube chapter feature, so make sure you also take advantage of that. But as always, before we get into the specs of these units and what I think about them straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Cap in a stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky, walking on these haters. Celebrate every day like a bird. Good things come to those that wait us. But don't let the jump in too long. I'm outstanding, so I stand out. I'm more babies in a glass house.
Okay, so you guys saw that put down. You saw how I got to this point right here. Let's go ahead and talk about this unit really quick. Like I said, this unit comes to us from Ebonyline. It is by Sensationnel. Oop, wrong card. It's from Sensationnel. It is a part of their instant up and down line. This is the unit UD1. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 1B, and this unit does retail for $27.95. This unit does come in 2 pieces, so you get the half wig in the back, and then you also get the ponytail wrap that you can use for the front or like, you know, a low ponytail or whatever. Now for the half wig portion, the unit does come with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and the adjustable drawstring, so you can tighten the unit down onto your head. And then for the ponytail wrap, it does come with the 1 comb on the unit, which to me is a little like, why is the comb in the middle of the wrap? Why isn't the comb in the beginning of the wrap? I mean, sensational. Have a seat. Explain to me why that is. Yeah, so I wasn't really sure why they did that, but you know, we make it work over here. I just held mine in place and then wrapped it around and bobby pinned it at the end. So I made it work how I made it work, and that's that. You can do a full updo, you can do a low ponytail wrap, and you can also do a half wig. Now if you have a small head and you want to do any one of these looks, you can go ahead and do that. It will work just fine for you. However, for my big head girls, the cap does stretch, okay? They are big head friendly, but it spaces the hair out a little bit because the caps are a little thin. All right, I will tell you, I was a little taken aback by, you know, the thinness of this ponytail. I was like, you know what, I've had struggle ponytails before, so you know, let's get to work. Obviously if you watch the put down, you can clearly see my joint don't look like this no more. Okay, we not in Kansas. So I went on and got to slicing and dicing in this joint. Even though she was cute, okay, she was really cute out the pack, I wanted to show you guys something different because obviously this unit has been out for a while. So I'm like, you know what can I bring to the table that's a little different? Here we go. I wasn't quite sure how this was going to look because I cut it and I actually got the flip on accident. I was actually trying to straighten it down, and then I kind of, you know, twisted my wrist a little bit, did a little how you doing and got that little wrist action that caused a little flip on one of these sides, and I was like, oh, okay, let's go ahead and rock with that then. So that's what we did. Now obviously to the back, I can't see back there. Don't be trying to come for me, okay? I didn't cut it even on purpose. I'm gonna get Kenny to look back there for me and, you know, help me cut it. But for right now, that's how she's sitting. Okay, so that's how it looks on the back. If you see any type of poofiness or whatever, that's my hair. I took my braids out. My hair been growing, y'all. I'm so proud of myself. Added my little hair chopsticks here. I don't think they're really hair chopsticks. I got them off Amazon. That's what they look like. They were cute. I like all the different colors, but you know, I think they're cute. So that's why I put them in my hair. Now I also got UD6. This is what her card looks like, and she retails for $1 cheaper. So if you want a budget, okay, that dollar sometimes matters. So it is $26.95. And I also got that one in a 1B. This is how that unit is looking on me. Again, it's really long. So if you are not a fan of long hair, you can definitely chop that unit up, or I don't know, don't get it. Now, obviously you can wear the ponytail to the back, to the front, to the side, however you want to do it. You can twist it up into like a little bun, whatever you want to do. I decided to wear it to the back for you guys to show you guys how that looked. And then I also decided to wear it to the side. side. And when I put it to the side, I kind of wrapped it around itself, and then I bobby pinned it to the side of my head, and then kind of gave it some lift, because the unit is all one length, so that unit to the side and to the back is kind of just droopy. There's no shape to that unit whatsoever, especially to that ponytail, so I wasn't really feeling that. Now overall, I did get tangling with UD6 because there is some curl in this unit. I also got shedding with both of these units. Under $30, you know, make it work for you. You can get to slicing and dicing, get to pressing, whatever you gotta do, you do it, okay? So this unit is heat safe up to about 400 degrees. I was at about 370 on my Remington joint. She's not a yucky texture, okay? She's more of like a silky, thick type of texture. UD6 feels a little bit more stringy than this one. They're still manageable, you know, you can do what you need to do. But yeah, as far as I'm concerned, you guys, these are really cute. They're very simple. Y'all see that movement, that little flip? Come on, Mrs. Cleaver. And somebody try me? Pow! Expelliarmus! I feel like going and watching Harry Potter. But that is all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for my units down below, so if you guys want to check them out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.